Hello, I am Ashiqur Rahman. I am a web analytics expert. In this video, I will discuss about the Facebook pixel setup. This is very important for Facebook ads to get good performance. So I will show you my previous Facebook pixel setup works and also discuss about a standard Facebook events. So let's visit my website. This is my website. This is a WordPress based e-commerce site, and whenever you visit a site, you can see, especially e-commerce site, you can see any product section. So Facebook recommend us to track a page view event. At first, this is a standard Facebook event. Then um, uh, if we visit any kind of product page like this page, this is a product page. So for this, Facebook recommend us to say send a view content event. View content event means any product page visit. So this is called view content, and Facebook want us to send this event. So this is also a standard Facebook event. So I will show you my setup and how it looks like, and how you can which way you want to set up for your Facebook sorry, e-commerce website. So I will show you that. So okay, this is my Google Tag Manager. I set up all the events through Google Tag Manager. So let's check our setup by previewing. Put my website address, click connect. So I just loaded, and it is the event manager. Here also we can see the data. So click continue. Now after visiting this page, we can see a page view event fired. Here also we can see a page view event fired. So this is a page view event, and it is a standard Facebook event. Now let's visit a product page. Whenever we visit a product page, we have to set up a view content event. This is the view content event. Also there is a pixel called meta pixel helper. This is a pixel helper extension by Facebook, or as well as Meta. So by this tool extension we can see our setup. So you can see now page view event and view content event, and we will also, in the event manager, we can see the view content event. So under the view content event we can see lots of data. URL, this is because page view. This is a event ID. You must set up this to set up server side tracking. And the must send parameter is this: value, currency, content ID, content type. So here you can see the value of this 25. This is the data sending dynamically. So this is the value of this product, $25. So if I visit another page, in the visit different digit, here the value of this product is $34. So click here. Let's check this $34. So you also need to send the parameter dynamically. So if any kind of page can the customer visit, so you have to send that data. Now let's click add to cart. Hmm. So in the event manager we can see add to cart event fired, and also through this add to cart event we can see all the data or parameter dynamically sent. So what is the price of this? $34. $34. And here we can see the price is $34. And also content ID, we can see this in the backend of our website. And currency, content type. So this is another standard Facebook events. Now let's visit view cart. So now proceed to checkout. This is another standard Facebook events that is recommended by Facebook, that we have to set up a initiate checkout. So whenever a customer come to a checkout page, they must need to set up this initiate checkout event because it is a recommended standard Facebook event. So you must set up this Facebook standard event. So if we click there here, we can see our total value. You also need to send this data dynamically always. So the total value of our checkout page is $102. This is it. And content ID, and then product checkout content name also need to be sent. So this data must need to send dynamically, and must remember, uh, you want to, if you need to set up, you have to set variable, and the variable need to be advanced because uh, here you can see that all the data is here. So you have to take this data by this by the variable, and you need to send this to Facebook. So you have to set up the advanced variable by custom JavaScript. You must do that. Now after doing that, you our another standard event setup done, that is called initiate checkout. Now this is my my personal website, so I can buy this from cash on delivery. So let's place order. Done. We have just set up our purchase. So here in the purchase we can see all the data just like before. So content ID, content type, RNC value, everything. So when we come to our event manager, we can also see the setup, the a purchase event. This is very important because everyone wants sales. So if you want to get sales, you must set up this event, and very correctly. They are not any kind of mistake is not grantable. So if we click here, we can see all the data: event ID, parameter is value, USD, currency, content IDs, content type, event name. Event name is purchase definitely. Content name, all the product name here. Order ID must send the order ID because Facebook want to Facebook want to know that the sale is unique or not. By the to check the uniqueness, they use the order ID. That is how you want to set up, or you need to set up all the standard events. If you set up these events, then your setup is perfectly done. So thank you for watching, and I hope now you know that which kind of event you have to set up for your Facebook ads. And I hope I will show you my another projects in later videos, like Shopify, Wix, or any other platform. Thank you for listening. To get more web analytics related video, then please subscribe. Thank you very much.